Hey everyone, if you're getting ready for knee replacement surgery, you might be feeling a mix of excitement and nerves. I'm here to help you get fully prepared so that your surgery and recovery go as smoothly as possible. Hi, it's Steve from My Cold Therapy and Supply Cold Therapy, where we help people get back to living. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and all the links to everything we mentioned in this video that you can find linked in the description box below. Now let's jump right into it. Step number 5, plan your post-surgery care. Get yourself some caregiver assistance. Arrange for help after the surgery. Organize for a family member, friend, or professional caregiver to assist you with your daily activities, especially in the first few weeks after surgery. This includes help with bathing, dressing, meal prep, and transportation to follow-up appointments. Now, if you need home health services, this needs to be arranged before the surgery, and they're going to provide nursing care, blood draws, and some physical therapy. These services can be especially helpful if you have limited mobility or require specialized care. Transportation is a big part of your preparation. You want to organize your rides, plan for transportation on the day of the surgery, as you won't be able to drive yourself. A large, comfortable vehicle with 4 doors is ideal for easier access. If you don't have transportation available to you, ask your doctor's office for assistance with arranging transportation services. Also, please be sure to inquire if there's any costs associated with this. Follow-up appointments. Ensure you have reliable transportation for follow-ups and physical therapy sessions, especially if these are scheduled frequently in the early stages of recovery. So you also want to plan for household management, child and pet care. Make arrangements for someone to care for your children and pets during your recovery period. This ensures that you can focus on healing without the added stress of child care or pet responsibilities. Household chores like laundry, cleaning, yard work. Enlist the help of family members, friends, and hire professional services to assist with these tasks during your recovery process. Post-surgery home care. If you require assistance with daily tasks such as dressing, meal prep, bathing, consider hiring a home aide. This can be particularly beneficial in the first few weeks after surgery when your mobility is going to be a little bit limited. Now that you're better prepared for knee replacement surgery, we invite you to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Your support at no cost to you helps us continue creating valuable content that assists individuals in returning to an active and fulfilling life. Now please make sure you check out all the videos in this series, and let's get back to living.